We came at our little house where we will stay for the weekend. This has a barbecue. We're having our insides. We already put everything inside. Here's Diven. Diven, you can guide us around in the house.
Okay.
Shoes off.
Let's take you guys for a tour. You show them around.
Okay, we are in the kitchen. We having Indian fires so we can cook. Gas fires. Oven. Lots of stuffs. Beer glasses.
But don't forget a complimentary drink, which is this one.
They have no.
Oh, this one?
That's
What is it?
olive oil.
Oh, that's olive oil. I'm sorry. My bad. Don't drink olive oil.
Cider. It's made from apples.
So this is where we can chill.
And fireplace.
Yes, you are interested
Very nice.
about the fireplace.
Yeah, I like fireplace. Yes. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
And now we are going upstairs. We are with 4 couples, so 4 rooms. This one. Let me test out the beds. It even has a bath. Look at it, cute. Wow! That'll hot you up. You want to take a bath? I don't know, I don't have my soapies. Then, little bathroom, extra toilet, one more bath, then one more floor up. Let's see, which one do you like the best? I like that one the best. With the bathroom.
Of course.
Oh! This is so cute. Maybe we stay here.
This is amazing.
Cute.
Yeah.
Little rooftop pot. Or last room.
Ooh.
We have a bath. Here. There's small toilet. 3 toilets in this house. And 3 showers and 1 bathtub. Okay. Now we need
Also
to
very
decide,
cute.
where do we want to stay?
I'll leave it to you.
Oh.
But I think your parents should pick the room first.
Okay.
Yeah. So you should have option A and option B. What do you want to work on?
You and me choose a room.
Oh.
And
we can't see. Enia is invisible. Yes. And what else?
we are gonna put the bed.
Okay.
Now help me.
Oh my god. What is this?
I'm just holding on.
Right.
You take the little leaves, pull them down. Because it's cold in Belgium and we need protection. Lots of fat sheets. How do they call this? A duvet?
Duet. Yeah.
A duet.
Good.
No. Again, you need to do a little bit better.
Okay.
These sides here. No, the corner, you take it in your hand. Let me do it. You can have these corners. This corner, you put it in this corner. The other corner, put in the other corner, and then you shake a little bit. Let's go like this. Yes, no.
This way?
Yes. Ta-da!
Beautiful.
So,
This is from home, right?
yes, it's mine. Me and Diven are going to cook Indian food tonight for my family. We are going to make dal. We are going to make chicken fry,
Kurma
kurma,
with rice
raita,
and some
rice.
raita. Yeah.
This is our ingredients. Dal, This is for kurma, for spices, for chai.
Oh yes, chai too.
Our chicken is in the fridge, I think.
Yeah, it's already in the fridge. There's a master chef.
You can take it.
No, we are the master chef tonight.
We are just the
You
chefs.
take it off. You take it all off.
Tonight, I am the master chef and you are my helper chef.
Okay.
Being first time cooking Indian food ever
Yeah.
outside of India.
In India, I've cooked twice.
But what are you making now? You're making it for the first time.
Yeah, I'm making. Yeah, what I'm cooking is
Kurma.
for the first time. Kurma, mixed vegetable kurma, and then.
But luckily, he has me to help because I learned to cook from his mom.
Oh yeah.
So.
Oh.
Everybody arrived later in the evening. The food was delicious, and then we could start our weekend with long hikes and kayak trips. Walking through the Ardennes.
Amazing.
Amazing. We are having full flowers. The bos anemontjes.
I've not seen one human in the last 45 minutes. Just nature and nature.
And my
nature,
humans.
Except for our family. It's amazing. Oof.
Houses in Hamois. So we're doing the hike. Raining, not raining, and still we did not see any people except our family. Nice, huh?
Very nice.
And no cars, no scooters, nothing. Just us walking in the rain. It's rainy season.
Much less rains compared to India.
It's not rainy season, it's actually spring here. We went kayaking on the Lush, a river in Belgium. So, Diven and me are back in the house. The kayaking ended all good. Well, good. How you say that? We say
All's well that ends well.
all's well that ends well. And we're going to play a game now. This is our house from the outside. So pretty. Very pretty, man. Diven is eating an appetizer. He's eating breakfast.
I love this.
Chocolate.
Some kind of a
Flakes.
Kit Kat. What do you call it? A Kit Kat
Flakes.
flakes.
Like cornflakes, but then
It's a Kit Kat
yeah,
flavor. Yeah, it's amazing.
cornflakes.
I'm going to get some back home to India.
Oh. Okay. Our little escape to the Ardennes has come to an end. What a beautiful few days. Being surrounded by my sisters, my parents, and my boyfriend made every moment feel full. And when the sun was finally setting on our last evening, we celebrated with a barbecue.